Alright, back on track. What's happening now? I had to change the IP real quick, but you don't have to care about that. What we're going to do today is actually use those credentials that we gathered in the last stream to get something out of it, I suppose. So let's just check out what access to what SMB shares and so on we got with this user. And we're starting with SMB client list. And then is it enough if I just pass the name, or does it also need like the domain? I guess it also needs the domain. Apparently not. Or let's try it. Let's try listing everything with the domain name in it as well. Fantastic. I messed it all already. Why can someone explain to me why copy pasting on Linux is such a difficult thing to do? Some applications have Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, others have Ctrl+Shift+V and Ctrl+Shift+C. Like, how am I supposed to know which is one and not get confused? Like now, did I is it big P? How can I pass the password? Pass the password. Apparently not with a big P. Okay, I think I can just pass the password like this. No. Service. SMB. Okay, this is confusing. TLDR SMB client. Come on. There should be an easy way. Oh, of course. With a % sign. Because why not? So first of all, let's change this into... Why a % sign? Come on, please. That's new. Nobody's done that before. Why? And then we have work group for the domain. So let's just do work group and then pass in the domain name. Make sure to copy paste it correctly, because the thing is, to copy it from VS Code, I need Ctrl+C, and to paste it into the terminal, I need Ctrl+Shift+V, and that's just confusing. But anyway, here we have our shares. We have a couple of shares. We have admin, we have C, we have IPC, IT, netlogon, sysvol, users, blah blah blah. Now let's grab this and write down list all shares, all with the question mark, because I'm not sure if once we're another user we would get more access or more shares. But I guess let's just list what's inside of those shares. So we have admin $. Okay, hang on. How did I use that in the past? I just wanna... Okay, without the L. Fantastic. So let's go into the admin share. Okay, access denied for admin, but do we have access for C? Let's check it out. Over here, C, boom. Access denied. Okay, do we have... Can we go to the IPC? Can we do anything with this user? Or was it just... Oh! Okay, we got something, I guess. But what's happening here? Okay, ls. I mean, ls should be a correct command. Invalid info class listing. Okay, what's this error? I got this error a while back ago. Again, also in another challenge. These are all HackTheBox solutions, so that's amazing. I just want to know what this error message means, but yeah, okay, let's go into this and then check out what this error message means. Okay, guess something to do with permissions as well. All right, let's exit out of here and let's go into the IT share. Maybe we can find something interesting over there. And we ls here. Oh, down detector ps mget down detector ps1. Yes. Okay, now we have a script. Let's copy this in here as well. Found PowerShell script. That's amazing. Our note keeping is like, does it even get more professional than what we're doing? I'm just kidding. You know that. I hope you know. What's in net logon? Let's do a quick ls. Okay, that's empty. Then we have sysvol. Come on. Yeah, okay, I missed the mark. Now sysvol vol. Okay. ls. No ls. We have intelligence HTTP, which is a directory. Okay, let's go into that directory and ls this stuff in here. Let's do prompt off, recurse on, and mget star. Okay, some things I'm denied access to, but it looks like we have downloaded some policies. All right. Can we do the C code thing? I don't guess so. It's usually in an XML, right? But we have some password complexity information and so on, which we could use to crack the other passwords. That sounds interesting, right? I hope so. So let's exit out of here and copy this. Found files on shares. Let's put it in here. And then let's check out the last one, which would be users, I guess. All right. Let's go to users. Come on, don't show again. Goodbye. I don't need all this notifications. All right. Okay. Wait, did we submit the flag already? I forgot. I don't think so. So maybe we can find the user flag. That shouldn't be too hard. We have our directory in here. So let's go into our directory. And I guess, what's all of this? You know what? Prompt off, recurse on, and mget everything. And now we see what we can get. Okay, we got something from the administrator. I'm not sure what. Users share downloaded everything that was possible. Alright, I think with that information, we have a couple of files that we could check out in the next episode. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.